Once upon a time, in the whimsical realm of DIY dreams, a group of passionate builders set out on an extraordinary adventure. Their mission: to create a haven for their goldfish companions that would not only defy expectations but also showcase the boundless possibilities of magnetic ball craftsmanship. The project at hand was nothing short of magical, crafting 3 fish tanks and rainbow water slides using the mesmerizing allure of magnetic balls. The journey commenced with a careful selection of magnetic spheres, each one representing a pixel in the grand design of the aquatic paradise. The builders envisioned not just aquariums, but living artworks that would captivate and enchant their goldfish friends. As the magnetic balls clicked and snapped into place, a symphony of creation unfolded, setting the tone for a story where creativity would dance with the serene melody of water. The first chapter of their tale unfolded with the construction of the fish tank. Each tank was meticulously crafted, with transparent walls made entirely of magnetic balls. This not only provided a unique view into the underwater world but also created a visual spectacle that celebrated the artistry of magnetic architecture. The soothing sounds of magnetic connections became a gentle lullaby, echoing through the DIY sanctuary. With the fish tanks standing as transparent testaments to their ingenuity, the builders turned their attention to the piece de resistance, the rainbow water slides. Carefully designing the twists and turns, the builders crafted slides that promised an aquatic adventure for their goldfish companions. Each color of the rainbow was represented, turning the slides into vibrant pathways of joy and excitement. As the rainbow slides took shape, anticipation filled the air. The goldfish, seemingly aware of the forthcoming aquatic wonderland, swam with heightened curiosity in their tanks. The builders marveled at the fusion of colors, water, and magnetic magic, creating an environment where the ordinary boundaries of fish tanks were transcended. The grand reveal marked a moment of pure enchantment. 3 fish tanks stood as aquatic kingdoms, and the rainbow water slides added an element of playfulness that mirrored the joy of their goldfish inhabitants. The comments section overflowed with admiration, viewers expressing awe at the seamless blend of creativity, innovation, and the soothing ASMR experience. In the heart of the DIY sanctuary, the builders reveled in the joy of having not just constructed fish tanks and water slides, but having woven a tale where the magical touch of magnetic balls brought to life an underwater paradise. The goldfish swam gracefully through their vibrant kingdom, seemingly appreciative of the aquatic haven crafted with care and creativity. And so, in the boundless world of DIY dreams, the tale of 3 fish tanks and rainbow water slides endured as a testament to the extraordinary magic that unfolded when passion met innovation. The builders cherished the memory of creating not just an aquarium, but a story where the beauty of aquatic life merged seamlessly with the enchanting allure of magnetic craftsmanship.
Hi. Yummy. ay, ay, ay,